Fast selection of rows where at least n many columns hold true in numpy/scipy. If I have this numpy array, what's the fastest way to select out of it all the rows where a condition holds true of at least n many elements? For example, select all the rows where at least two numbers are evenly divisible by 2. The solution I came up with is an alternative solution using apply _along _ axes. Is there a more elegant/faster way in numpy/scipy than these? If not, which of the above two is best?
I'd probably do. Which works because true/false have integer values of 1, 0. For comparison, note that using lambdas costs you a lot of the benefits of using numpy in the first place, and lambda x column sum x is simply a more verbose and slower way of writing sum here anyway. Also note that if the array were large, it'd probably be more efficient to use a method which could short circuit rather than the above.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.